Starting an online business once required significant upfront capital for inventory. Today, AI tools lower that barrier to entry, allowing you to build a functional store without traditional startup debt. Here's how dropshipping works. A supplier sells a product for $10. You list it for $40. When a customer orders, the supplier ships it directly to them. You keep the $30 profit without ever handling physical inventory. We are going to walk through the steps to build an integrated, branded storefront and launch your first marketing campaign. By removing the need for physical storage and large-scale manufacturing, this model shifts the focus from managing logistics to executing a data-driven strategy. We begin by using an AI-assisted builder linked to a Shopify account. Currently, these platforms offer promotional trials that allow you to host your store for $1 a month. The setup starts with your email and a broad niche selection. For this guide, we'll select fashion and apparel to generate the initial site layout. To connect the systems, copy the URL from your new Shopify dashboard and paste it into the AI store builder. This syncs your hosting with the design tool. Your store is hidden until you disable the default password. Go to Preferences and toggle the password off to make the site accessible. Once live, the AI automatically generates necessary pages like shipping and return policies, ensuring your store appears credible instantly. Technical setup that used to require manual coding and professional copywriting is now handled in minutes through this guided automation. Sourcing is handled by AutoDS. It's an application that tracks market trends and automates the fulfillment process when an order is placed. Use the app's TikTok analytics and ad spy tools to find products already performing well on social media and generating high engagement. Use the shipping filter to find suppliers delivering within 2 to 5 days. Fast shipping is essential for customer satisfaction. The dashboard also provides audience data and profit projections, allowing you to evaluate a product's potential before adding it. Manual dropshipping often involves fragmented communication with suppliers. This software uses a single-line flow to route orders and monitor inventory levels automatically. Making sourcing decisions based on this specific data reduces the guesswork of choosing what to sell, focusing instead on items with existing market demand. Successful stores today focus on specific niches rather than general products. Specializing in an area like eco-friendly lifestyle products helps you speak directly to a specific community. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm business names and create a logo. Describe your niche to that AI, and it will provide branding assets that match your store's theme. A generic store just sells products. A brand offers solutions. If you sell non-toxic products, you position yourself as an expert solving health concerns. Creating educational content around your niche builds authority. This helps turn a first-time visitor into a repeat customer who trusts your recommendations. While a standard transaction is a one-time event, an educational brand creates an ecosystem of customers who value the expertise behind the products. This chart contrasts two ways to grow. Paid ads require high upfront spending with risk, while organic content uses free reach on social platforms to find customers. AI platforms can assist in content creation by generating video scripts and carousel designs for your social media channels, keeping your posting schedule consistent. The strategy here is to start with organic reach. By posting helpful content, you can attract customers and generate sales without risking your own money on advertising. Follow this flowchart. Start with organic posts, wait for consistent sales to prove the product works, and then reinvest that profit into paid advertising to scale up. This approach provides a low-stakes environment for testing. You only spend money on ads once the market has already confirmed interest in your product. You've now established the 4 core assets of this business: an automated store, a data-backed supplier, a targeted brand identity, and a phased marketing roadmap. Your next steps are to review your site policies, select one high-demand product, and draft your first 3 social media posts. Comment below with the niche you've chosen for your store, and subscribe for more guides on how to use AI in online business. By following this framework, you move from just consuming content to using these platforms as tools to build and manage your own digital assets.